Hey guys, OPLXX here from Crouch TV and welcome back to another car video. In this video I'm using the Ford Fiesta ST, but this cheap visual aesthetic can be used on any car and even on some bikes too. That visual is of course pinstriping. Now pinstriping is a small bit of colour tape which you can apply to the body of your car or on any existing mods you already have. Pinstripe is available in all different kinds of colours and sizes. In the video on screen you can see that I've gone for green and I got this off eBay for £2 or $2.58 or 2.28 euros. This modification is so cheap, yet it's one of the most versatile ways to change the appearance of your car. On screen you can see the before picture of the pinstripe. Now if I add the pinstripe, you can see that the green changes the way the front end appears. You can also apply pinstripe on your existing modifications, such as your wind deflectors, to add a different feel to them. If you're interested in pinstriping, you can try it for real cheap. Just go on Amazon or eBay and order some. The plus side to this is not only is it so cheap, but it doesn't affect the paintwork and it's dead easy to remove, which means you can simply remove it if you don't like it. Its ease of use and affordability means it's too cheap not to try. Let me know in the comments, do you like the look of pinstriping, or do you think it hinders the car in a way that makes it look cheap? Thank you so much for watching this video. Liking this video would really help me out, and if you want more videos from me, hit the subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video.